Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this Indian wedding guest makeup look using some brand new products which I've never tried before. So it's going to be more of a first impressions as well. For today's look, I've tried to create a flawless base with sparkly eyes. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and please don't forget to thumbs up if you do. And without further ado, let's begin. Let's start with the base makeup, and before we begin, I do have contact lenses on. These are from Melon Color in the style Sugar Brown. Super comfortable and look so natural. These are annual lenses. If you need a discount code, you'll find that in the description box right below this video. For primer, I'm going to be using the Juno Moonshine Primer. This feels very luxurious. It's super hydrating, super creamy, and gives you a beautiful canvas to work with. This primer is infused with sodium hyaluronate as well as avocado extract. Avocado oils is something that I use regularly on my face as well as hair. It is super nice, and it says this primer keeps your skin dewy and healthy and moisturized for 12 hours. While we moisturize our face, let's not forget our lips. To keep it chapped free and moisturized, I'm using the Physicians Formula 24 Karat Lip Serum. Revlon sent me their new foundation. This is the Photo Ready Candid. They sent me the Candid Glow, and they also sent me the Candid, which gives you a more natural finish. Today I just want a dewy, glowy finish, so I'm going to go with Candid Glow, and this is in the shade 340. I'm going to quickly dot it on my face and neck and blend it out with a damp beauty sponge from Colourpop. The shade is just a tad deeper than my skin tone, but that's okay. We'll fix it with the concealer. This foundation has a light to medium buildable coverage, and it definitely gives you that glow. You can see that dewy finish, which I really enjoy. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Milani concealer. To conceal, I'm going to use the shade 145, which is warm beige, and to highlight, I'm going to be using 135, which is a tad lighter. If you have dark circles like me, always try to conceal it with your skin tone concealer. Don't go lighter. Using a lighter concealer on something that has a blue undertone like dark patches or dark circles will give you that ashy look. And again, I'm going to quickly blend everything out with my damp beauty sponge. And while I'm blending this out, just checking in with you guys. How are you doing? Let me know if there's something special going on in your life by commenting below. I'd love to hear from you. Now, because I want that healthy, fresh glow to my skin, I'm not going to be setting the entire face with powder. That's going to turn my face matte. Instead, I'm only going to set in areas where I feel like the concealer might crease. And for that, I'm using the Airspun Translucent Loose Powder. I'm going to dip the same sponge in the powder, and I'm going to lightly press it in areas till my skin absorbs the powder, mixes it with the concealer, and sets it. The base makeup looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and set this now so it doesn't move. And for that, I'm using the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray because I still want to maintain that glow and dewiness. Now let's move on to the eye makeup, and for that, I'm going to be using the new Milani Gilded Nude palette. First, for transition, I'm dipping into Add to Cart with my Sigma E40 blending brush. I'm going to use this in the outer corner and the crease, feathering it outwards. So this is going to be my transition shade. I'm going to keep on blending till it melts into my skin tone. With a smaller blending brush from Folklore, I'm going to use the same eyeshadow in my lower lash line to warm it up. To deepen the outer corner and the crease further, I'm going to be using Hit Snooze with a blending brush from Folklore. I'm going to do the same as I did in the previous step. I'm going to keep on blending till it melts into my transition shade. I'm using my Sigma E40 larger blending brush once again to make sure everything is well blended. And then with the Colourpop E10 pencil brush, I'm going to use the same eyeshadow to deepen my lower lash line. I'm going to be using two different eyeshadows on my lid. First, as a base, I'm going to be using this beautiful gold shadow called 75 and Sunny. I'm just going to apply it with my finger. Right on top of it, I'm going to be using this beautiful eyeshadow called Detox. It has small specks of glitter to it. I'm not sure how much the camera catches, but it looks absolutely stunning, especially when you use it with a base underneath, like a metallic eyeshadow that I just used. It looks absolutely stunning. Before we move to the next step, let's get done with the brows. I'm going to be using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit in the shade 6. I'm going to finish up with some mascara and lashes. For mascara, I'm using the highly rated mascara from Milani. And for lashes, I'm using the Tati Lashes in TL9. To highlight my brow bones and inner corners, I'm going to be using the Revlon SkinLights Illuminator. This is their new product. And highlighting the brow bones and inner corners kind of separate out your eyes and make it look brighter. With that, my eye makeup is done. Let's finish the rest of the face. Okay, first let's bring back some warmth into the face because it looks pale and flat. So to add some dimension, I'm going to be using this bronzer from Colourpop. This is from their Coconut collection. And this is a matte bronzer, so I'm almost going to use it like a contour in the hollows of my cheekbones, and my forehead, and my jawline, and also to contour my nose. After I've used any powder product using a brush, I like to go over once with a powder puff. Now that I have the Blenderful, I've been using the Blenderful. So when you press it gently after using a powder product, it almost looks like the dimension is from within and you haven't used a product on top. If you just leave it as is, sometimes it looks very powdery, so I like to do this. For blush, I'm going to be using the Carity palette, and the one that I'll be using is On Point. If you want the blush on the apples of your cheeks, the best way to do it is smile, and whatever protrudes, apply it on top of that and blend it out. For highlighter, again, I'm going to be using the new Revlon Illuminator. I'm using it on the highest planes of my face with a brush, and then I'm going to go over once with the Blenderful. So tell me, did you guys get the Blenderful? Didn't get the Blenderful? Did you use it, not use it? Did you like it, not like it? I'm in that phase where I'm trying to get used to a new product, so I've been trying to use it as much as possible. On my lips, I'm going with something that has a brown undertone. I rarely use a brown undertone lipstick, but I felt like because this looks so beautiful. This is the new matte lipstick from Revlon in 13, which is Hot Chocolate. My beautiful earrings are from Sagiful. I've linked that in the description box below. And here is the completed look. Don't forget to comment below and let me know if you enjoyed this look, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays. Let me know if you want more wedding guests, Indian party looks by commenting below. For your information and convenience, I'm listing all the products that I used in the description box right below this video, and you'll also find my social media links there. So if you plan to recreate this look or any of my other looks, don't forget to tag me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.